Reliable access roads are the backbone of every successful solar and wind farm. However, when roads deteriorate and dust accumulates, performance and profitability quietly slip away. Plus, dust pollution harms local ecosystems and wastes valuable water resources. That is where Intelligent Renewables by Soil Solutions makes the difference. Our advanced EBS Surface Seal technology stabilizes and seals roads, cutting construction costs, eliminating dust, reducing water use, and lowering long-term maintenance emissions. Dust-free roads mean cleaner panels and turbines, resulting in higher energy output, fewer cleaning cycles, and longer-lasting components. This reduces energy waste, conserves water, and cuts carbon emissions, delivering real savings in time, labor, and operational costs. With Soil Solutions, you are not just improving access, you are enhancing total site performance, boosting ROI, and embedding true sustainability into your project infrastructure by protecting soils, conserving resources, and reducing your carbon footprint. Protect your investment, extend equipment life, power your renewable project with confidence while supporting a healthier planet. Contact Soil Solutions today.